So we want to demonstrate what we're able to provide our customers. We want to show off what is our core kind of offering, where do we add value in the market, and then as well that overall feeling of you're dealing with a professional company here that will give you a high quality machine.
Do you think you have succeeded today at the show to do that?
Absolutely, yeah, there's no doubt. And we've had feedback to say, you know, we've seen you in years gone by and we've seen you this year, and there is a very positive change this year in that outward look.
Is that because of the stand?
It's a major part of it, for sure, yeah. It's a good high quality build. The designers at Quadrant to Design were able to kind of understand the sort of message that we're trying to put forward and the sort of equipment that we're trying to show off. And they've been able to design a stand that has really done that well. One bit that's really cool to us is the shelving that we have with the backlighting. It shows off, we're able to show products that we pack, and we show them in a good light, and then also some of the intricacies of our equipment, and you can really break down our equipment and see it piece by piece in that backlit shelving. It does stand out, and it kind of makes customers and other people kind of come closer to the stand to kind of understand it better and go, oh, that's why they've chosen a floor like that, because it works with the machine, you know. So yeah, this is actually something I'm quite proud of, because we were given the option and it was kind of like it's a blank canvas and you don't actually know where to start too much, but I came up with the idea of let's use the products that our customers handle. So we deal with customers in coffee, in all sorts of food, dry ingredients. And so I found an image that represents that, and now it's clear from the other end of the hall what products we handle. The main reason that we went with Quadrant to Design was because of the reusability and because of that the value that you then add to the stand as you reuse it through the years. So yeah, absolutely, we'll be using it again. From the first day, from the build-up day, the support has been excellent. Our service engineers worked with Quadrant to Design to put the stand together and actually put the equipment on as well. So yeah, it's been really, really good. We're really pleased with the quality of the build and the support that we've had from Quadrant to Design.